Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, my name is Teacher Jay, and today we're going to do your speaking test. But first, I want you to introduce yourself. Can you tell me your name, age, where do you live, and what do you do during your free time?
My name is Ned. I'm 11 years old. I live in Hanoi, and I play football and play video game or do homework in my free time.
Now we're going to start here. Musical instruments. What's this?
It's piano, drum, piano, guitar, violin, recorder, trumpet, flute, saxophone.
Musical genres. This one is
It's pop, hip hop, classic,
reggae,
reggae, and
rock.
heavy metal.
Can you play a musical instrument?
I don't
No, I can.
know I can.
Okay, what's your favorite type of music?
I like pop,
Rock.
I like rock.
I love rock. Now here are physical descriptions. Can you describe Olivia?
Olivia is short and very slim. She had long wavy hair and blue eyes. She had braces. She about 50.
Which one do you think here is Olivia? Number?
Number 4.
Here, Olivia. Now can you tell me the important events of your life? You're just going to read here. I was born in...
I was born in hospital.
Where? Hospital, where? Is it in Hanoi?
The hospital in Hanoi
In what year?
in 2013.
I learned to ride.
I learned to ride bicycle when I was
4 years old.
4 years old.
I started
I started elementary school when I was 6 years old. I started junior high when I was 11 years old.
Were you at school yesterday? Yes, I was. No, I wasn't.
Yes, I was.
Did you do your homework last night?
Yes, I was.
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Okay. What did you do last weekend?
I sleep.
Sleep. Just sleep?
Yeah.
You didn't play? No?
No.
Here's weather. What's this?
Sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, foggy, snowy, storm, tornado.
What was the weather like yesterday? Tuesday? It was?
It was rain.
Was rainy.
It was rainy.
Movie types. This one is
It's action movie, horror movie, love story, musical movie, cartoon, fantasy, comedy, science movie.
Can you tell me about the last time you went to the movies? So here, you're just going to read.
The last time I went to the movie was last month. I went with my friend. We watched Conan movie.
Detective Conan?
Yeah. The movie,
It was what? A horror movie? Or it was a
is horror movie.
cartoon? Detective horror. The movie started at
The movie starts at 5 p.m. and it's at 6 p.m. The movie was very good.
very good. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Thank you, Nate. Finish. Yes.